Welcome to Mindset English.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to Mindset English Podcast. I'm Edgar.
And I'm Lara. And today, I have a confession to make. I have been using English phrases my entire learning journey completely wrong. And I didn't know. Nobody told me. I just kept saying them. Confidently. Incorrectly. And if you're an English learner right now, there is a very good chance you're doing the same thing.
Today we're going through 5 English phrases that most learners use wrong. Not because they don't know English, but because these phrases were never properly explained. They sound right, they feel right, but native speakers hear them, and something feels off. Stay until the end because number 5 is the one that surprises everyone.
And honestly, Edgar, when I learned about number 3, I wanted to go back and apologize to every native speaker I had ever spoken to.
Same. Okay, let's get into it. Phrase number 1. I am agree. Lara, how many times have you said this?
Oh no. Edgar, I said this for years. I am agree with you. I am totally agree. It sounds so logical in Spanish. Estoy de acuerdo. I am in agreement. I am agree. Step by step. It makes sense.
It makes sense in Spanish. But in English, agree is a verb, not an adjective. So you don't say, I am agree, you say, I agree. That's it. 2 words. No am. I agree with you. I completely agree. I agree. The moment you add am in the middle, it tells a native speaker immediately. This person translates directly from Spanish, and that one small word creates a wall between sounding like a learner and sounding natural.
And the worst part is, native speakers usually don't correct you. They just understand what you mean and move on. So you never find out you're saying it wrong. You just keep saying it for years.
Which is exactly why we're here. Okay, phrase number 2. And this one is going to hurt a little. How do you call this in English?
Okay, wait. I still say this sometimes. What's wrong with it?
How do you call this is a direct translation from Spanish. ¿Cómo se llama esto en inglés? How do you call this? But in English, call is not the right verb here. The correct phrase is, what do you call this in English? Not how, what. How do you call this? Wrong. What do you call this? Natural. 1 word difference, completely different impression.
Okay, I just felt personally attacked. That one was me. Every single time. How do you call this thing? And people understood me. But now I know why it felt slightly off.
And now you'll never say it wrong again. That's the point of today's episode. Once you hear it, you can't unhear it. Phrase number 3. I have how many years? No, wait. I'll say it the way learners say it. I have 25 years.
Okay, this one. I remember saying this to a native speaker once. I have 22 years. And they looked at me with this expression like, where are you keeping them?
Because in English, you don't have years. You are years old. I am 25 years old. Or even more naturally in conversation, just I'm 25. I have 25 years sounds like you're storing years somewhere in your house. It's one of the most common mistakes Spanish speakers make in English, and it instantly marks you as a beginner, even if everything else you say is perfect.
And this one is so easy to fix. Like, once you know it, I am instead of I have. Done. Fixed forever. I genuinely think this single correction made my English sound 10 times more natural overnight.
Now we're at number 4. And this one is subtle, really subtle, but it makes a big difference in professional situations. The phrase is, I will go to the bathroom.
Wait, what's wrong with that? That sounds completely fine to me.
Grammatically, it's fine. But in natural spoken English, nobody says, I will go to the bathroom in casual conversation. It sounds overly formal, almost robotic. What native speakers actually say is, I'm going to the bathroom, or even shorter, I'll be right back. I will go to the bathroom sounds like you're making an official announcement, like you're filing a report.
Okay, that actually made me laugh because now I'm imagining someone standing up in a meeting and formally announcing, I will go to the bathroom, like it requires a signed document.
Exactly. And this applies to a lot of situations. English speakers in casual conversation almost never use will when they can use going to or a contraction. I will call you later. Technically correct, slightly stiff. I'll call you later. Natural. I'm going to call you later. Also natural. The difference is not grammar. It's register. It's the difference between sounding fluent and sounding like you're reading from a textbook.
This is the kind of thing nobody teaches you in school. Like, your teacher marks it correct, because it is correct. But correct and natural are two very different things. And if your goal is to actually connect with people in English, natural matters more than correct.
Perfectly said, Lara. Write that down, everyone. Correct and natural are not the same thing. That sentence alone could change how you think about English forever.
Okay, before number 5. If any of these phrases hit home for you, drop a comment below right now. Tell us which one you've been saying wrong. Number 1, 2, 3, or 4. Be honest, this is a safe space. We promise we won't judge. We've been there too.
And if you're finding this useful, hit subscribe. We do this every week. Real English, real mistakes, real fixes. Okay, number 5. And Lara warned you. This one surprises everyone. The phrase is, make a party.
Yes. Okay, so I grew up saying this. Let's make a party. We should make a party. Because in Spanish, hacemos una fiesta. We make a party. It's logical.
In English, you don't make a party, you have a party, or you throw a party. Let's have a party. We should throw a party. Make a party sounds like you're building it, like you're going to a factory and assembling a party from parts.
Okay, throw a party always confused me too though. Like, why are we throwing it? Where is it going?
That's the beautiful chaos of English idioms. The logic isn't always there. Throw a party, break a leg, bite the bullet. English is full of expressions that make zero logical sense, but sound completely natural to native speakers. And that's actually a really important lesson hidden inside this one. Some English phrases, you cannot translate. You cannot logic your way to them. You just have to learn them as complete units, as fixed expressions. The faster you accept that, the faster your English starts to feel natural.
And that's actually something I had to completely change about how I approach English. I used to try to understand why every phrase worked the way it did. And sometimes, there is no why. Sometimes it's just, this is how native speakers say it. And the moment I stopped fighting that, English started flowing so much more easily.
That mindset shift is huge, Lara. Stop trying to translate English. Start trying to absorb it.
Okay, Edgar, we'll try it. But now, we have English moment time. Today's expression comes directly from this episode. Edgar used the phrase, "It makes zero logical sense." And I want to break that down because it's so useful and so natural in everyday English. Makes zero sense or makes no sense. You use this when something is completely illogical or confusing. This instruction manual makes zero sense. His explanation made absolutely no sense to me. Why do we drive on a parkway and park on a driveway? That makes zero sense. It's casual, it's expressive, and native speakers use it constantly.
Try it today. Find one thing in your day that's confusing or illogical and describe it with makes zero sense. Out loud. In English, that's your homework.
So to recap today's 5 phrases. Number 1, I agree. Not I am agree. Number 2, what do you call this? Not how do you call this? Number 3, I am 25. Not I have 25 years. Number 4, I'll call you later. Not I will call you later. Number 5, throw a party. Not make a party. 5 small changes. Massive difference in how natural you sound.
And here's the most important thing to remember. Making these mistakes doesn't mean your English is bad. It means your English is growing. Every mistake you catch is one less mistake you'll make tomorrow. That's progress. That's real progress.
Exactly. And if this episode helped you, Share it with one person who's learning English. Because somewhere right now, someone is confidently saying, I am agree. And nobody is telling them. Be the person who tells them. Send them this episode, and if you want, let us a comment. That's really helpful for us.
See you next week on Mindset English. Keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, correct and natural are not the same thing. Chase natural.
See you the next week.